Hello friends, in this lecture I am going to discuss Introduction to Security Attacks. Security means free from danger, and attack is any action that compromises the security of information system or security of information owned by an organization. Another term is mostly used, threat. Threat is an attack. Threat is an object, person, or other entity that represents a constant danger to an asset. That means that is creating danger to the information system is known as threat. It may be the vulnerability of any software, or it may be the vulnerability of any component of information system. And information security is about how to prevent attacks, detect attacks on information system. Security attacks are classified into two categories: passive attack and active attack. In the passive attack, attacker gets the information or monitor the information that is uh, going between sender and receiver, but attacker does not modify the contents of transmission, and the goal of opponent is to obtain information that is being transmitted. And passive attack are very difficult to detect because they do not alter the data. That means, for example, suppose anybody have accessed my laptop but do not modify anything, then I can't guess or detect that anybody have accessed my laptop. In the same scenario, passive attack does not modify anything. That's why it is too difficult to detect that passive attack has been happened here. And in this type of attack, prevention is better than detection because detection is too difficult. Two types of passive attacks are release of message contents and traffic analysis. In this figure, we can see here Bob and Alice are communicating to each other, and Darth, that is the attacker, read the content that is going between Bob and Alice. For example, suppose Bob and Alice is communicating through phone line, then phone line can be trapped easily by attacker, and attacker can read or listen the conversation that is going between Bob and Alice. Second attack is traffic analysis. Suppose attacker is trying to get the information that is going between Bob and Alice, but attacker is not able to get actual data or not able to read the data that is actually is going between Bob and Alice. Then attacker will try to apply the traffic analysis. That means attacker try to get the pattern of traffic, what is going on at what interval. That is the pattern of traffic, or the character frequencies. That means how many characters are transmitting at how many frequency. Using the pattern or pattern of traffic or traffic analysis, attacker can get some conclusion to get some actual information. Active attack. In this attack, opponent access as well as modify the information. The goal of attacker is to modify the data or create false stream. It is easy to detect as compared to passive attack because in this attack, attacker modifies some information. Then using that modification, we can guess or we can detect that attack has been happened here. And active attack is subdivided into 4 categories: masquerade, replay attack, modification of messages, and denial of service attack. Masquerade. Masquerade means somebody is pretends to be another entity. In the figure we can see here Bob and Alice is there and Darth is there. Darth is an attacker that represents as Bob to Alice. That means Darth is sending a message and saying that or representing through message that the message is coming from Bob. To implement this attack, attacker may get some information about Bob or capture some packet that is created by Bob. Using that things, this attack can be applied by Darth. Replay attack. In this attack, attacker will get the information that is sent by the sender, and after some time it will again resend to the Alice. That means replay to the Alice, and Alice may confuse whether which message is correct, whether that is coming from Bob or coming from Darth. Sometimes attacker may use some other mechanism to discard the original message at the receiver side, and then receiver will accept the packet of attacker. This is the replay attack. Modification of message. Modification of message, that means Bob sends message, attacker get that message and modify the message, and after modification Darth will send to Alice. Then Alice get the modified message and not get the original message that was sent by the Bob. That attack is known as modification of message. Denial of service attack. In this attack, attacker tried to create a situation that deny the services of server, or you can say server will not able to handle the services that is provided by server. Several mechanisms or several methods are there. Using that method, attacker create a situation in which server will be busy. For example, attacker can use the ping packet or SYN packet, use SYN packet or use ping packets, and server will be busy to handle that packets, and server will not able to reply the authorized or genuine requests. That is the denial of service attack. Thank you.